Welcome back to our garden series where we explore different plant varieties and their unique qualities. Today we're going to be talking about the Washington palm. The Washington palm is a species of palm native to the southwestern United States and northwestern Mexico. It was first discovered in the mid-19th century by the American botanist Charles Christopher Perry in the Sonoran Desert of Baja California. The species was named after George Washington, the first president of the United States, to honor his contributions to the country. The Washington palm is a tall, slender palm tree that can grow up to 100 feet in height. Although it typically reaches 40 to 60 feet in residential settings, it has a single, smooth, gray trunk that is topped by a crown of large fan-shaped leaves. The leaves can grow up to 6 feet in diameter and are supported by long petioles that sway gracefully in the wind. The tree produces small, creamy white flowers that are followed by small black berries. The Washington palm is hardy and adaptable plant that thrives in full sun and well-draining soil. It is drought tolerant and can withstand periods of extended heat and cold. It is a popular choice for landscapes in the warm, arid regions such as Southern California, Arizona, and parts of Florida. The palm is relatively easy to grow and requires little maintenance beyond occasional pruning to remove dead fronds. The Washington palm can be complemented by a variety of plants in the landscape. Some popular companion plants include agave, yucca, cacti, and other drought-tolerant plants. The palm also pairs well with low-growing ground covers such as ice plant and trailing lantana, which can help to cover the soil beneath the palm. The Washington palm is widely used in landscaping and is popular as a street tree, shade tree, or specimen tree. Its tall, slender form makes it a popular choice for creating a dramatic focal point in the landscape. The palm is also a valuable source of food and shelter for wildlife, including birds and squirrels, who use this tree as a nesting site. In addition, the tree is sometimes harvested for its wood, which is used in construction and as a source of fuel.